Mita mita I la ngana maua I lo whaasino mama.
Talofa, we think this is going to be an amazing opportunity for our students. At Te Kumano Rowley we have a high percentage of Samoan students. So for them, I think it's going to be amazing for them to see themselves and their language being presented on a modern online digital platform that students nowadays use day to day in their learning.
Everyone say Miri? Miri?
Got, of course, a number of Samoan kids who are New Zealand born. And so for them to be able to access their language is like accessing their heart, really.
Elefante.
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 It's really timely for our school because we've just started up our junior Samoan language class. Afumasanga Uli Besvia, who teaches the class, has had to come up with his own resources, so this is a really good resource that he can use in the classroom in terms of having him work through the program as well, and just more hands-off for him, but a bit more time for him to give one-on-one. So as a school, definitely very good timing in terms of the resource, and it will be very useful at Tuna Boys High School.
That beautiful stepped progression of learning, it's so logical. You can see the really clear pedagogy behind it and the concepts, but it's actually also really fun, and you can see it's engaging for kids. They will really enjoy this, so it's very, very exciting for our community.
For this language to be presented on it and enabling other students to gain access to their language is going to be such an amazing opportunity.